Anya package bi wa ase. We a BOYA MM1 microphone. Yenye unboxing ye hwe ade a ewom. Meeting free here. Okay. Fat boxy and to be here. Alright, so on my welcome guide, I can win. Well, as always, and as usual, I won't be reading this, so let me put it aside. Alright, now let's show how your mic in ASEY. And I'm a cushion. So bag was the same, so you can be reading. So we a leather bag. The I say the microphone. Yeah, near bigum. Okay. Let me set this aside. My face so mama a jack to jack. So 80 idea. And new jack to jack. I don't know which this is here, but a 3mm jack to jack. Synchronicity. Let me put that aside. And my a jack to jack and the same thing. No, I'm say I'm quite ASEY no. It's me spring it. So exactly. So seeing it and also so it's here. So pepper. Let me set that aside. Now we also so here absorber, a shock absorber. So here now I think say mic can be ASEY. Mic can be raw. Alright. Now let's talk about the mic. Here's your mic like I said. So mic no it's a BOYA. A dead cat no. We a dead cat. Oh wow, so be beside share. And me there. So let me remove the mic from the dead cat. Hey, I'm hoping say me see just here did BBM. I didn't hear this. So this is the dead cat. I didn't read. Let me put that to the side. Alright, now this is the mic. So much ready in ASEY. Then module no. So then one CNT. So I'll be using it and I'll do a review about that later in another video. So this is what comes within the BOYA MM1 mic, which is BY-MM1 mic. So thank you for watching this. I see you in the next one.